Welcome to our new video where we're going to show you our brand new suspension upgrades for the Honda CRF300L. It's also available for the 250s and obviously for the rallies too. This brand is called TFX Suspension from the Netherlands. We haven't seen any videos so far on YouTube, so it was about time to introduce this fantastic new shock. Let's go for some more details. TFX Suspension offers two different shocks for the Honda CRF300s and the CRF250s. The Traveler 140Mi with rebound adjustment and the Freelexer 141M SSF with an external reservoir, rebound plus high and low speed compression adjustment. They also have two variations. The Traveler 1403Mi is the basic Traveler with an additional C-spanner preload adjuster. And the Freelexer 1413M SSF is the basic Freelexer with an hydraulic spring preload adjuster. The hydraulic spring preload adjuster can also be ordered separately and, for example, combined with a basic Traveler. You also might be able to combine the C-spanner preload adjuster with the basic Freelexer. Just give them a call. In addition to that, TFX Suspension offers linear and progressive fork springs for the little Hondas. We're usually on long trips and we always ride with a lot of luggage. So our choice was the basic Traveler without additional preload adjustment to replace our previous shocks. And here are a few more reasons why we decided to get a suspension upgrade of this company. First of all, they have an excellent customer service, speaking English, German, and I guess they speak Dutch too. All shocks are custom made, so it takes a few weeks for delivery. The TFX Traveler is an IFP monoshock with an internal floating piston. The oil and nitrogen cannot mix due to this design, leading to a superior damping performance. In cheap re-emulsion dampers, during compression, the oil mixes with the nitrogen, resulting in an emulsion that negatively affects both the damping performance and the durability of the damper. For customers interested in lowering or raising the suspension, they offer an exceptional service. A lot of manufacturers simply use an internal adapter to shorten the suspension. And from our experience, we can tell you that it adversely affects the damping performance. TFX Suspension lets the customers decide whether they want an internal adapter for shortening the suspension or an actual shorter piston rod installed. So, considering the safety regulations, the customer can freely order shorter or longer piston rods according to their preference. Isn't that cool? So that's it, and now we're going to test it on one of our next big adventures soon. If you're looking for more information, we have the website link in our video description, and if you liked the video, maybe follow us or give us a like. Thanks for watching.